We are ASYS Group, and transforming ideas is our vision. We focus on ideas that are one step ahead of the future. Ideas are our key to success. Started in 1992 as a machine builder, today we are a reliable partner providing comprehensive solutions for manufacturing. We are the leading supplier of machines and systems for the electronics, energy and life science industries. Every one of you has seen something brought to life by our machines. In the meantime, around 100,000 ASYS systems are in use globally. It all started with the vision of making the world simpler and more innovative. With our idea, we revolutionized the world market. We drove an entire industry into transformation. How did we do it? The key was to standardize PCB handling in electronics manufacturing. The success of this idea demonstrates that we had anticipated a trend. With it, we laid the foundation for our future. Today we are setting benchmark standards for smart factories, guided by our mission: automate, digitalize and connect. We develop comprehensive networked automation solutions. With our products, you have your entire production in view. We offer you an excellent portfolio of transport and handling systems, process machines, logistics solutions and intelligence software. We combine these into complete manufacturing solutions tailored to your requirements. 100% of our products are manufactured in Germany. We focus on quality made in Germany. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, we pay attention to the responsible use of resources. At our site in Dornstadt, for example, we have been obtaining electricity from solar energy for over 10 years. We are ASYS Group. Creative and dedicated minds whose curiosity and courage lead to first-class products. Through our veins flows the spirit of development and passion, the restless desire to become constantly better. Automation, innovation, progression. These are our drivers, past and present. With a global network, strong partners, locations in over 40 countries on 5 continents, we guarantee you a fast response and smooth availability of spare parts and know-how. We are on duty for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let our ideas inspire you. We include every area of our business, whether it's products, solutions, research and development, or creative processes. Day after day, we dedicate ourselves to ideas that bring you sustainable progress. That is our promise.